Unlock flawless mobile experiences for your Webflow site today. In today's digital world, visitors expect your website to look and work perfectly on every device. And achieving this mobile friendliness in Webflow is simpler than you might think. This tutorial will guide you through the essential tips and techniques to ensure your entire Webflow website is fully responsive, delivering an excellent user experience on all mobile screens. Our journey begins with Webflow's powerful device switcher located at the top of your designer. This tool allows you to preview and edit your site specifically for desktop, tablet, and the crucial mobile view. Always start by mastering your desktop layout, then progressively refine it for smaller screens. When switching to mobile, your first focus is on adaptability. Webflow automatically handles much of this, but you'll often need to make adjustments. This involves reordering elements to optimize flow. And critically, adjusting spacing. Use the margin and padding controls to ensure elements aren't too cramped or too spread out on a small screen. Images are another key area. Ensure your images are set to scale proportionally in Webflow. This often means setting a maximum width to 100% and a height of auto, allowing them to shrink and grow with the screen size without distortion. Navigation is paramount for mobile usability. Desktop menus often don't translate well. Webflow's built-in mobile menu components are your best friend here. Select your desktop navigation, then switch to mobile view and transform it into a mobile-friendly hamburger menu, ensuring easy access to your site's sections. Think of your layout structure on mobile. Multi-column layouts often need to stack. Webflow handles this with section and container settings. Explore the flexbox and grid options within the designer. They offer incredible control over how elements arrange themselves across different screen sizes, with columns automatically stacking when needed. Finally, text readability is non-negotiable as you adjust your layout for mobile. Always check your font sizes, ensure they remain legible, and that lines of text aren't too long, which can be frustrating for mobile users. Webflow's responsive typography settings allow you to fine-tune these details for each device breakpoint. By applying these principles, strategic spacing, scalable images, streamlined navigation, and intelligent layout adjustments, you'll create Webflow websites that are truly mobile-friendly, providing a seamless and engaging experience for every visitor, no matter their device.